Moderate prenatal alcohol exposure and quantification of social behavior in adult rats. This video describes a prenatal alcohol exposure paradigm followed by quantification of social behavior in adulthood. All procedures described in this video have been approved by the Institutional Animal Care and Use Committee of the Health Sciences Center and the main campus at the University of New Mexico. Begin by obtaining adult female rats 6 to 7 weeks of age that average 125 to 150 grams in weight, and proven male rat breeders typically 12 weeks of age. Allow at least 1 week for the animals to acclimate to their new housing environment. Overall, the prenatal alcohol exposure timeline includes a 2-week pre-exposure period, a breeding period in which the animals do not have access to alcohol, and the prenatal exposure period, which takes place throughout gestation. Details of each stage are as follows. In order to evaluate pre-pregnancy drinking levels, the female rats voluntarily consume saccharine water containing incrementally higher concentrations of alcohol over a 2-week period. The function of this evaluation is to identify rats that drink at desired levels for subsequent phases of the drinking protocol. This aspect of the alcohol exposure paradigm also ensures that all female rats have experienced drinking prior to pregnancy. Prepare drinking tubes by gathering the following supplies: saccharin sodium salt hydrate, 190 proof ethanol, beaded glass drinking tubes, natural rubber white 1 hole number 4 stoppers, 1-inch bent tubes with a ball point, and paper rulers. Prepare a stock solution of 0.066% saccharin water dissolved in tap water. Use a portion